Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Brevard County in east central Florida until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Barefoot Bay, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palm Bay, Malabar, Grand Valkyria, and Nico. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. For this storm, move indoors immediately. Remember, lightning can strike beyond 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.